Hey besties, it is that time again. Your girl got paid, okay? Your girl got paid. And I am gonna be doing my bi-weekly paycheck budget. So if that is something that you're here for, then let's get into it. If this is your very first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If that is something that you're here for, then just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And I really encourage all of my returning besties to make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for returning for yet another video. So let's get into it. So we are going to be budgeting for my second paycheck in the month of May. And I'm so excited, y'all, because I got paid again. I love getting paid, okay? And I noticed that I do have some bills in the beginning of June that I'm gonna have to pay for with this paycheck. So I'm not gonna fully set up June, but I am going to at least document those bills that I have due to make sure that I put them in my budget. I am a paycheck to paycheck budgeter. The budget sheets that I use are from the Budget Mom. It's a Budget by Paycheck budget book. It's a digital copy. And the way that I budget, for those of you guys who are new, is I have a strategy or a system that I use. Basically, I try to do my very best to close out my budget the very day, the day before I get paid, and then start my next pay cycle. Right now I am focusing on getting 1 month ahead in my bills. That video, I know I've been promising it for a long time, is gonna come out where I'm gonna be talking about how I am getting 1 month ahead, and things are looking pretty good with that. So just looking at some things overall here, I no longer have 24-hour fitness. I now have another gym. I actually did cancel them. Some people may remember that I was trying to find another gym, and I finally did, so I'm happy about that. I got a birthday and then just some normal bills that I regularly have. So I am going to start setting these things up, and then I'm going to come back and talk about it. So today I'm gonna, no, actually I'm not going to use any pens out of here. I might use some highlighters, but I'm gonna use my Pilot G2 pens. So I really like the way these write. So I'm gonna be doing some setup, and I'll come back and talk about what will be included in this upcoming budget.
Wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. The sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that. Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby.
All right, so let's talk about it. So I'm getting paid on the 24th of May, and in my bill account I'll have $1,135.42 that I am going to be budgeting with. So I've already taken out my tithes. I am a tithe and offering giver. So that'll be happening. My mortgage, this is already sent over to a mortgage account that I have, which is just a checking account. And I already have that money already being taken out. And the same for HOA as well. And that just gets paid from that account. Solar, I will be paying $105.12. That's due on the 28th. My gas bill is $61.13. I really can't wait for this to start going down. Hopefully the sun starts coming out so that, you know, I can stop cutting my heater on. But that is going to be coming out. And then court is going to be coming out $75. This is on auto pay, so that'll just automatically pay itself. And then Apple, $32.66. This is on the 30th. And then Netflix, this is, of course, you know, on auto pay, May the 30th, and it's $15.49. For internet cable, this is also on auto pay, $117.52. ADT is on auto pay as well, $59.99. And then Sirius XM is also on auto pay, $7.27. That gives me a total of fixed expenses, or bills rather, for $474.18. On the day that I get paid, I'm gonna have a seat, and I'm gonna meet with myself. My budget meetings are with myself because I'm only working with my income. And then I will pay everything that's not on auto pay on that morning. So that is a best practice to make sure that I am not late on my bills. I don't have to worry about it for the next 2 weeks, wondering, oh shoot, let me go and pay that bill. Oops, it was due yesterday. Now I got a late fee, etc., etc. So that is a best practice of mine that works wonders. If you haven't tried it, I definitely encourage that you do. And then just make sure that you're having money meetings. If you're a single person like myself, then those money meetings would be with yourself. You're looking toward the future, you're looking at your current situation, and you're looking at your goals for your money. If you are working with, you know, multiple incomes, like 2 other people, make sure that you're having money meetings with your spouse. If you're, you know, married or dating, but you combine incomes, anybody that you combine income with, you need to have a meeting about your money and what the goals are going to be and how you guys are going to spend that money. It makes a world of a difference. So now we're going down to variable expenses. My variable expenses consist of groceries, household things, toiletries. This is the area where I put my needs and wants, and these amounts can vary. My bills can vary as well, but this is a bill and I don't have a choice to take care of that. So left over is $661.24, and I'm going to be taking out $150 out for groceries. Household, $40, toiletries, $40, gas is $123.84. And the way that my gas works is I do use a credit card to get my gas, and then I pay it off every 2 weeks. So that's how that works. Birthday, it's my older brother's birthday, so I'm gonna spend $50 on him in some kind of way. And so my variable expenses total comes out to $403.84, and it's leaving me with $257.40. So now I'm going up to what I'm really excited about, and that is getting 1 month ahead. So I decided to kind of pause on making additional debt payments so that I can get 1 month ahead, so that I could just feel a lot more comfortable. Just in the event that anything happens, you know, I at least have 1 month of bills ready to be able to pay. So that is something that I decided to do, and I can't say right now how much I need to save, but I'll talk about that in a dedicated video. But for this pay period, I'm going to be saving $125 toward my 1 month ahead fund. And Oh, I forgot to put the leftover. So after I take out the one, it's 132.40, I think. Let me make sure. I think that's what it is. So 257.40 subtract 125. Yeah, 132.40. Forgot to add it right here. All right, so after I do the 1 month ahead fund, then or savings, that leaves me with 132.40, and then we're going down to savings. And I contribute to 2 saving challenges at this time. It is the 52-week saving challenge, which saves me about $2,000, and then a 3K savings challenge. And so I'm putting $40 toward the 52-week and then $90 towards the 3K savings. And that's for a total of $130 in savings. And this will leave me with $2.40. And with that $2.40, I will have it roll over into the next pay period, okay? So I have zeroed out my budget because after that it's gonna be zero. So that's gonna roll over. So this is a zero-based budget. So if you have any questions on how to budget for anything in particular, please let me know. Right now, I am uber focused on getting 1 month ahead, paying my bills, and doing little things. I am gonna start saving toward the summer. I mean, I know we're upon the summer, but I am gonna start saving toward the summer soon because I do want to be outside this summer. I don't want to be in the house. I want to be outside. So I'm gonna be saving toward. I'll talk about that in another video. I kind of was in the house last summer because I really couldn't afford to go outside. I was like, past due bills. Check out those videos if you haven't. But this Sunday, I want to live a little. I want to breathe. I have my granddaughter. I want to take her outside to do some things. So I want to explore restaurants and just be outside. Okay, let my hair down. So that's what I'll be doing, and I will be talking to you guys in a future video on how I'm going to be doing that. But for this video, this is my paycheck budget, and this is pretty much it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and share this video with anyone who you feel that this may help. Sharing is caring and it's free. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, I will see you guys in the next video. Go be great, besties. Peace out.